Hi guys, I'm Anson. In this 2 minute, you'll know the differences between branding and sales. Recently, a customer WhatsApped me and wanted me to manage a digital marketing project for his company. His company offers the overseas study program to the local university student, but he doesn't have website and even social media. Therefore, I sent him a quotation and suggest him to allocate some budget to build a website and manage social media first before any courses promotion. However, he rejected my suggestions and told me that I only do marketing for profits. I don't think these are necessary. Just imagine that will you join an overseas program offered by a company that you have never heard before and have no website, no Facebook. In this case, he definitely messed up with branding and sales. Sales basically focus on one-time transactions, making the money right now. But for the branding, it is a long-term investment. The company website and social media can deliver brand message and values to the target customer so as to raise the public awareness and more importantly, to build trust. With a solid positioning and trustable image, you can easily to do sales and promotion later on. So in the long run, your company will have a positive growth and make more money by making less now. I don't mean that branding is more important than sales. This is not a trade-off. We can do branding and sales at the same time. Many people just focus on sales because they can generate revenue right now, but they don't recognize that branding can help them to make more money in the future. Just remember that marketing is not only about sales, and don't try to imagine to make more money by skipping many steps. Thank you for watching, and I'm very happy to share this experience to you. Remember to subscribe my channels and see you next time.